Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In today's lesson, we are going to study the second part of the verbs with irregular yo forms. Today we'll learn about verbs that have irregular first-person singular yo forms in the present tense. Here are the present tense endings for regular verbs in Spanish for future reference. O, as a, amos, ais, an. O, es, hemos, eis, en. And o, es, imos, is, en for the IR. And here's a summary of the rules we'll explore. The following list of verbs present an irregularity in the first person singular, the yo form, while the rest of the conjugations follow the regular pattern for the present tense. Here is the list of the verbs. We have the verb to give, dar, to hear, oír, to fit, caber, to see or to watch, ver, to know, saber. Here's one example of the verb to dar, which is to give, and we can notice how the yo form is going to be different than the other ones, but the other ones will follow the same formula, right? Taking out the ending, AR, and then adding the as, a, amos, ais, an. The yo form will be doi, but the rest of them will be as we know, the regular endings. In order to control these verbs, we need to study the yo forms individually. So in this table with the conjugation for the first person, you can find the ones that we covered in this video. We have the verb dar, which is going to be doy, oír, oigo, always for the yo form, caber, quepo, ver, veo, saber, sé. One more time, let's practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Doy, oigo, quepo, veo, sé. So we have the verb to give, which is dar. Your form will be doy, and then the stems di, in this case das, and nosotros damos. You can keep going with these examples, stop the video, want to work, and then check the answers that I attach in the description. Now the last thing I'm going to propose you is to do some exercises in which you are going to review those yo forms and also conjugate the other subjects. So that's it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.